Are gold IRAs even worth it? If you're a retiree or someone approaching retirement, this is a question that might be on your mind, especially if you're concerned about market volatility and protecting your wealth. Let's dive into whether gold IRAs are truly worth the investment and why they might just be the perfect solution for you. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll be sharing some valuable insights on how to take action right now if you want to protect your wealth in a way that the stock market and traditional retirement accounts simply can't. Now, before we get started, if you're serious about protecting your wealth over the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide that thousands of Americans are already using to secure their savings. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So, back to the big question. Are gold IRAs even worth it? Simply put, they can be, but it really depends on your goals and your current financial situation. A gold IRA is essentially a retirement account that allows you to invest in physical gold or other precious metals instead of stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. And while the stock market might be a good option for some, it can be highly volatile, especially for retirees who depend on steady income streams and long-term security. Gold, on the other hand, has been a store of value for centuries. Unlike paper currencies or even stocks, gold tends to hold its value over time, especially during times of economic uncertainty. You see, when the dollar loses value or the stock market crashes, gold often does the opposite. It has the ability to act as a hedge against inflation and economic instability. So, if you're looking to protect your wealth from the unpredictable fluctuations of the market, gold IRAs might just be the answer. But here's where it gets interesting. Many traditional retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs are heavily invested in paper assets, which are subject to the ups and downs of the market. And if you've been relying on these accounts to build your retirement nest egg, you're probably feeling uneasy with the recent market dips. That's why more and more Americans are turning to gold IRAs as a way to diversify their retirement portfolio and protect themselves from the risks of market downturns. It's also worth noting that gold IRAs are fully self-directed, meaning you get to control your investment choices. You aren't at the mercy of a financial advisor who may not have your best interests at heart. You can choose exactly what kind of gold or precious metals you want to invest in and when you want to make moves. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Gold IRAs sound great, but are they expensive or complicated? The truth is, they can be a little more costly to set up and maintain compared to a traditional IRA or 401k. But when you're talking about securing your financial future and protecting your wealth, the small fees might be well worth it in the long run. Plus, if you're already sitting on $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even $5 million in savings, you can afford to make this investment in your financial future. A small cost now can mean huge protection down the road. And here's another thing. Gold IRAs offer tax advantages too. Just like a regular IRA, a gold IRA can be either traditional, tax-deferred, or Roth, tax-free, depending on how you set it up. This means you can grow your gold investments without worrying about taxes eating into your gains. So, if you're serious about protecting your wealth and diversifying your retirement portfolio with a solid time-tested asset, gold IRAs are definitely worth considering. The market is unpredictable, and if you're relying solely on stocks and bonds, you're taking on unnecessary risk. Gold gives you the security you need to sleep easy at night, knowing your wealth is protected. If you're ready to learn more and find out why so many Americans are opening gold IRAs to protect their wealth, don't wait. Click the first link in the description and get your free gold IRA guide today. It's a must-read for anyone who has $100K or more in an IRA, 401k, or even $5 million in savings. Don't let uncertainty define your retirement. Take control now. Remember, diversifying your retirement savings with a gold IRA could be the step that ensures your wealth is shielded from market crashes and inflation. And as a retiree, this protection is more important than ever. Make sure to get your free guide and take action today. The future of your retirement starts now.